Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Biometric Smart Locks. Number 5. Electronic Deadbolt Smart Door Lock. Oak Smart Lock is a great solution for rental property management. Over 1 year electronic access and lifetime mechanical warranty. Auto lock sensor is included. The automatic lock feature eliminates the need. Built-in app logs show you who comes and goes, lock status, battery life, etc. Oaks will provide a money-back guarantee if you are not in love with it in 15 days. Number 4. Nextrend Smart Electronic Door Lock with Bluetooth Keyless. Smarter, safer security, keyless entry smart lock, code plus Bluetooth plus key. High quality and real-time, intuitive OLED display, long battery life. More convenient and easier way get into your home. Remote sharing, it is great for children, friends or others who wants to entry. Excellent customer service, 30 days worry-free return and exchange service. Number 3. Lockily Bluetooth Keyless Entry Door Latch Smart. Keyless entry and convenience. Lock and unlock your door with one finger. Highly secure smart lock, the world's first patented peek-proof smart door lock. Family sharing with ease, each family member could get their own smart code for keyless entry. Control access and monitoring, works on both iOS and Android devices. Emergency power supply and DIY installation. Number 2. Lockily Bluetooth Keyless Entry Smart Door Lock. Keyless entry and convenience. Lock and unlock your door with one finger tape on. Secure Smart Lock Deadbolt, the world's first patented peek-proof smart door lock. Feel extra safe knowing that this smart door lock features an advanced capacitive fingerprint reader. Control access and monitoring, works with both iOS and Android devices. Emergency power supply and DIY installation, you can open your front door. Number 1. ZKTCO Outdoor Bluetooth Enabled Keyless Keypad. Keyless entry and convenience. Unlock your door by fingerprint, password. Vista password semicolon. Create a 1OFF password for your guests. private mode. All normal user other than admin will be locked out when choose this mode. No WHO comes and goes. A 24/7 activity log tracks who enters and exits your home. Backup key for emergency. Bluetooth 4.0 provide less consumption.